To understand pricing, all you need to know is that almost any field can be used to calculate a price. You can use as many fields as you want, and the way you do it is through this price type setting. In here you can select the calculation type for the field. Each type is useful depending on what you want to achieve. In fact, they were designed thinking on the different ways you might want to use a field in a calculation. For example, when you select fixed amount, you will also need to select a price. And what this price calculation is going to do is whenever the user fills this field, the price that you define is going to be used. Or if you select current value, the price of this field is going to be whatever the user put in this field. Formulas is also another really great price type that lets you create your own calculations, but I'm going to cover this in another tutorial. When you have more than one field calculating a price, the final total of the form is going to be the sum of all the fields. For example, here I have a text box field and a drop-down, each one calculating the price in a different way. So if I execute this form, the total price of the form is going to be the sum of these two fields. And that's it. Now you understand how pricing works. With this, you can do pretty advanced calculations in seconds and without coding anything. For the most complex calculations though, you might also want to learn about formulas. They might look scary at the beginning, especially because when you select them, all you see is a white box with nothing in it. But believe me, once you understand them, they are pretty easy to use. But I will explain this in another video. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you.